Hey everyone, this is Pavel with Becker Roofing. We finished a project here in the Grand Prairie area, and this is Pat. She is the proud owner of this home. And Pat, let me ask you, how did you hear about us? How did you come about getting to know us and we wound up doing the roof for your house?
Well, I was in Houston when the hailstorm happened, and I found out the hailstorm, and the Becker Roofing was next door to me. They were appraising the roof next door, so they offered to appraise mine, so that was helpful to me. And so I went ahead and had them to do the job.
And how was your experience?
Very good. They kept in touch with me and made several appointments to make sure everything was done. I especially appreciated Pavel kept in touch with me. I didn't have to wonder what was going on, so that was helpful. And I really liked the color of the roof and the way it turned out and everything. So.
And the customer service, was it cordial? Was it pushy? How was it?
No, customer service was just right. I was a little uncomfortable dealing with the appraiser, and they happened to be here, so they talked to him for me, and I think they could speak the same language, so that was helpful. And they did find some other things that I probably never would have noticed about my fence, and my screens were damaged, so I appreciated that part as well.
So if you ever need any roofing work done in the future, would you consider calling us again?
Yes, I would.
With the way that you've been treated, would you be able to recommend us for anyone else?
Yes, I would. You can put the sign back in my yard.
Thank you, Pat. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.